Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, I'm diving into a luxury fragrance that has certainly made a mark in the world of perfume, Gucci Premiere Eau de Parfum. This fragrance is part of Gucci's iconic collection, known for its bold and sophisticated scents. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Gucci Premiere Eau de Parfum is presented in a sleek 1.6-ounce 50ml spray bottle. It comes in an elegant design that reflects the luxury brand's style, minimalistic yet striking. This fragrance falls under the Eau de Parfum category, which means it's meant to offer a more intense scent compared to an eau de toilette, lasting longer on the skin with a deeper fragrance profile. When it comes to the composition, Gucci Premiere is a floral woody fragrance, featuring a beautiful mix of bright florals and rich woods. It opens with a delicate blend of sparkling citrus and floral notes, offering a fresh yet elegant first impression. At its heart, the fragrance blooms with a deep floral accord, including freesia and white flowers. The base notes bring in a warm, sophisticated touch with wood, musk, and leather, adding depth and complexity that makes this scent both feminine and assertive. So, how does it perform in real-world use? The first thing I noticed was how the scent instantly grabs attention. It's not a light, fleeting fragrance. It has presence. I tested it over the course of a busy day, and I was impressed with how well it lasted. The scent stayed with me for hours, making it a great choice for evening events or occasions where you want a signature scent that lingers. However, while the longevity is excellent, it's worth noting that the fragrance can feel quite bold for daytime wear. The musk and leather base notes bring a heaviness that some might find more suited to cooler months or evening affairs. So, if you're looking for something that's fresh and light for daily wear, this might not be the one for you. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the fragrance offers a beautifully complex scent that evolves over time. It's sophisticated and luxurious, and the long-lasting nature means you're getting real value for the price. The sleek bottle is also a nice touch, elegant and easy to carry around, especially if you're traveling. On the flip side, the strength of the fragrance may not be for everyone. It's quite bold, and some might find it overpowering if they're used to lighter scents. Also, for those on a budget, the luxury price tag might make you question whether you're getting that extra wow factor for your money. Is it worth the investment? For someone who loves bold, high-end perfumes and enjoys long-lasting scents, Gucci Premiere Eau de Parfum is definitely worth considering. However, if you're more into subtle, fresh fragrances or have a tighter budget, there are more affordable options that might suit your needs better. I do think Gucci Premiere stands out in terms of quality and luxury, but it's not without its competition. If you're open to exploring similar options at a more affordable price point, you might want to check out alternatives like YSL's Black Opium or even Chanel's Chance, which offer a similar vibe with a slightly lighter feel. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is as expected from Gucci, luxurious and solid. The spray nozzle is smooth, delivering a fine mist every time. As for the longevity of the bottle itself, it's solidly made, so it'll last you quite a while if you're not spritzing it all the time. So, would I recommend Gucci Premiere Eau de Parfum? If you're into high-quality fragrances that are sophisticated and long-lasting, it's a great pick. The scent is perfect for evening wear or special occasions, especially if you love bold and musky fragrances. But if you're looking for something lighter or more budget-friendly, this might not be the best fit for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.